Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting immediately. Press Start, type Windows Security, and open the app. This is faster than digging through menus. Once done, note why. This hub controls antivirus, firewall, and threat scans so you can stop malware quickly. Make sure you have administrator rights. Without them, you can view but not change protections. If you prefer the tray, click the shield icon. Now that the app is open, move to the core protections to verify current status and update definitions. You'll now inspect the core defenses. Open virus and threat protection, then update security intelligence and run a quick scan. Choose full if you suspect deep infection. Once done, go to firewall and network protection and confirm public and private profiles are enabled to block unwanted access. Also check app and browser control for exploit mitigation and device security for hardware protections. Make sure definitions stay current by choosing automatic update. Finish by running a full scan, keep real-time protection enabled, and confirm the firewall is active for all networks. This closes common attack paths. Once done, review quarantine and remove threats or restore safe items. If Windows Security won't open, make sure the Security Center and Microsoft Defender antivirus services are running. Restart the PC and recheck. If problems persist, run the built-in Windows troubleshooter to repair app registration. This often restores the security app without reinstalling or complex fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.